Fresh supplies of crude oil and diesel fuel are now starting to arrive in the country. In post shared by Energy Secretary Sharon Garin, she confirmed that about 150,000 barrels of diesel are being added to the country's reserves. Another shipment is also expected to arrive in Batangas. That's by Saturday. Now, just this Monday, a shipment of about 700,000 barrels of crude oil from Russia reached the country. President Bongbong Marcos also announced the successful drilling and testing of the Camago 3 well. In a video message, he said Camago 3 can produce up to 60 million standard cubic feet of gas per day, marking the second major development under the Malampaya Phase 4 project.
Alam natin lahat kung gaano kahalaga ito ngayon. Ang kaguluhan sa Middle East ay nagdudulot ng matinding pabago-bago sa presyo ng gasolina sa buong mundo. Kaya naman, ginawa natin ang lahat para masiguro na may sarili tayong supply ng enerhiya upang maibsan ang epekto ng kaguluhan nito sa pang-araw-araw na buhay ng ating mga kababayan.
Meanwhile, oil firms admitted during a hearing of the Senate Protect Committee that they are now struggling to source petroleum supplies.
Sa DOE and PNOC, wag na kayo matulog. Wag na kayo matulog. Ha? Correct. Wag na kayo matulog. Kasi nasa inyo na, humingi sila ng tulong sa inyo eh. No? So, kailangan na talagang mag-double time tayo dito. Kasi kung sinasabi nga ng oil company, sirap kami, then it's up to government to move. No? But like I said, 60 days will fly by so fast.